Hi developers, in this video we will learn about function currying. So what is function currying? In function currying, instead of taking all the arguments at once, a curried function takes the first argument and returns a new function that takes the second argument, and so on until all the arguments have been provided. So we will discuss it with some basic example. Okay, let's make a function. Firstly, we will create a normal function. Then we will make a curried function so that we can get a clear difference between them. Calculate price. Function name is calculate price, in which we take two parameters, price and tax. Return price star tax. Okay. Now we will do console log, and here we will call the function 100 say 0.2. Okay. Now if the price is 200, so in this example we are calling a function with two arguments. One is price and second one is tax. So here in the first one, price is 100 and tax is 0.2. And in the second call of the function, we are sending prices 200 and the tax same as previous 0.2. Okay. So what's the output here in this case? Firstly, we will go into this file, mod, advanced functions, function currying. So here the output will be, first one will be 120 and second one will be 240. So this is the normal way to create a function. So here we have created a function calculate price that is taking two parameters. One is price and other one is tax. Okay. So every time we are calling this function, we need to provide both price and tax. Okay. This is without currying. Normal function without currying. So now we will see the function with currying. Okay. Function curried calculate price. Here it will take only single parameter, that is tax. And here it will return some another function having parameter price, return this is code to calculate the price. Okay. Apply tax. Now here we will call this, and the tax percentages we are passing from here. So here tax rate is preset. Okay. Now we will do console, and here we will call the function apply tax, and here we will pass the argument as price, that is 100. Similarly, we will pass the price as 200. Okay. So let's run it in the terminal. Output should be same as 120 and 240. Okay. So here we will comment this code first. Okay, we will comment only this thing. 120 and 240. So here what we have done is this current calculate price is a function that takes just one argument text, okay, and will return another function. Here we are calling it, okay, it will go here and here it is returning another function. So the inner function accepts price and calculates this thing, price plus price star text, based on the text value provided initially. So firstly 100 will go here, firstly 0.2 text will be here, it will return some another function. Okay, so now it will be price plus price star 0.2. Okay, so now we are calling, it is returning this function here. Okay, so we are calling apply text with price as 100. So now price will go here and it will become 100 plus 100 star 2. Okay, star 0.2, that will be 120. Okay, similarly in case of second console statement, we are calling apply text with 200 as a parameter argument. Okay, so here it will go here and it will call current calculate price. Okay, so 0.2 will go here. Okay, and it will provide price plus price star 0.2. Okay, so now price value is 200, so it will calculate as 200 plus 200 star multiplied by 0.2. Okay, so similarly it will give 240. So in current function, current calculate price is a function that will take only one argument, that is 0.2, and it will return another function, this one. Okay, and so this inner function, it will accept price from here. It will accept price from here and will calculate the total price accordingly. Okay, so the key benefit of using the curring is we can preset the tax rate. So here we have preset the tax rate, so making it convenient to reuse the function without passing the text every time. So we have passed text only single time, but in the normal function we have passed the text every time we are calling the function, but in current function we are passing it a single time only. So this is the concept of function curring in JavaScript.